myself Pavani. I'm working as assistant in CSE AIML department at MLR Institute of Technology. Today I would like to give a session on in lexical resources, natural language toolkit, NLTK. What is the purpose of NLTK? Where we use this NLTK? Alternative is the NLTK. Let's see the overview of the session. So what is the meaning of NLTK? What are the features of NLTK? How to install the NLTK and how to download the NLTK, and alternative is the NLTK. Let's see one by one. So coming to the first one, what is NLTK? Here NLTK, the abbreviation of NLTK is Natural Language Toolkit. It is a Python library that supports the linguistic data processing. That means whenever we have to, linguistic means scientific English language, we have to process the particular data by using Natural Language Toolkit. It is primarily used in natural language understanding and generation and ML and NLP. This is the main idea behind the NLTK. It contains the corpora, that means database, lexicons, that means some different type of different models, right? Language processing tools and pre-trained models, because it is a library, right? Combination of all functions is a library, right? Let's see one by one features of the NLTK. So coming to the first one, we already know, right? Tokenization. This is one of the feature in the NLTK. That means how we are dividing the, that means splitting the text in a sentence. Let's see here in Python code from NLTK dot, this is a declaration in Python, NLTK dot tokenize, import the, here I am importing the word tokenize. That means I am tokenizing the words, right? So after word tokenize, I am printing the some sentence, right? I am taking one sentence. NLTK is Amazon for NLP task, right? Here divide into what the output will display, divide into tokens. NLTK is amazing for NLP task. This is the idea about the tokenization. Let's see this is a word tokenization. Let's see the sentence tokenization. Here from NLTK tokenize, import, here I am importing the sentence tokenization. In this I am importing the word tokenization, right? See, after sentence tokenization, I am taking a sentence. NLTK is a library. It is used for NLP. So we have to divide the sentence. That means putting the sentence. Here NLTK is library is one sentence. It is used for NLP is a another sentence. This is the how we are divided. It means how we are tokenize the sentence. This is all about some tokenization. Coming to a POS tagging. POS tagging means parts of speech tagging contains the phrases, that means noun, verb, adjective, some prepositions, some adjectives, some adverbs. This is all under comes to the some grammatical categories on the POS tagging, right? Let's see the code here. Here import the NLTK. From NLTK you have to import the some POS tag. From POS tag, we have to import the word tokenization. Whenever we are doing POS means, first we have to tokenize the word. After tokenization only, we have to identify the grammatical categories. That means noun or pronoun or verb or adverb, adjective. Let's see here, I am taking one text here. Rama is reading a novel, right? Here after word tokenization, here Rama is a noun, is a verb, reading is a some verb, and novel is a some noun. Some here is a determinant. This is the final output of the some specification of, that means grammatical categories. Let's see the third one, naming entity recognition. Here what is the meaning of naming entity recognition means we have to find out in our sentence people, locations, organizations, some dates, etc. Right? Let's see the code here. From NLTK, so import NLTK. From NLTK, import the any chunk. Here chunking means group of words, right? Small group of words. Here from tokenization, we have to import the, that means we have to tokenize the words, right? After words, we have to import the some POS tagging, that means noun phrase, verb phrase. After this, I am taking the some sentence, that means Barack Obama was 44th president of the USA, right? This is a sentence, right? After the sentence, we have to tokenize and POS tagging and tree chunking. Let's see the here. First, we have to tokenize the sentence. Yes, Barack Obama was the 44th president of the USA, right? This is a sentence tokenization. After sentence tokenization, we have to apply the some POS tagging, right? This is some POS tagging, some noun, verb, determiner, some adjectives, some noun, some inflections, some determiners, right? Some noun. This is some declaration of the POS tagging, right? After POS tagging, we have to find out the naming entity. Some this is some correct, right? This is a tree structure. Person is S. This is a tree structure. Some was like this. The 44th president of the some tree. This is a tree structure. Structure contains some chain nodes. See the next one, stop word removal. Stop word removal means after finding the POS tagging, we have to remove the stop words. Some is, the, and. It means we have to remove the determiners. See the code here. From NLTK, import the stop words. Of tokenization, we have to remove the stop words. Here, this is an example sentence. This is a text, right? We have to remove the, that means we have to filter the stop words. See the example and sentence. This is the final output. This is determiner, is, and also some determiners. It means we have to remove the stop words. What will get the output? Example sentence. See the next one, stemming and lemmatization. Stemming here reduces the root word, right? We already discussed stemming. We have to find out the root word. Some running, run. See the example here. We have to import the some porter stemmer algorithm for stemming purpose. After importing, next here I am stemming some caring, some ponies, some flying, right? Here what is the root words? Some caring, care, some ponies, some pony, some flying, fly. These are the some accurate, not accurate, some root words, right? This is in stemming process using porter stemmer. Let's see lemmatization. Converts the word to their root dictionary form. But means we are getting the root words from the dictionary. That means, see the examples here. That means code. From NLTK.stem, import the, here I am using here WordNet lemmatization. In lemmatization, I am using the WordNet lemmatization. But here I am using the porter stemmer algorithm in stemming. But in lemmatization, I am using WordNet lemmatization. Here see the example here. Some caring, some care. That means here we are defining the POS. That purpose we are getting the exact word in lemmatization. Here ponies is some noun, right? Some pony, right? Flying, some word, we are getting the fly. This is the exact dictionary form. Let's see the sixth one, some chunking. It is a process of grouping the word into meaningful phrases. It is called as a some group, small group of information. It contains the meaningful information called as chunks. Let's see the example here. Some here I am putting the some POI stacks and some more tokenization. After tokenization, here I am using the regular expression parser. In previous sessions, we discussed what is a regular expression, what is a parsing, right? Here I am taking a text, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is a sentence. We have to divide a sentence into tokens. After tokenization, we have to apply the POI stack. After POI stack, we have to remove the stop words. After removing the stop words, we have to analyze the regular expression structure. This is the main behind the chunking, right? So then only we'll get the output. So here the noun phrase is the quick brown fox, the lazy dog. Let's see the next one, text classification. Here what is the meaning of text classification? It means we have to classify text into different techniques. Here the classification behind done by the some positive or negative or some spam or sports etc. Depends on the text, we have to classify the data. Here see the from NLTK classify import. Here I am using the machine learning algorithm, some Navi based classifier. The training model contains some word, contains some good POS, some word bad, some negative. Classifier, what will the classifier will do? Print the classifier, the word good. It is a POS. This is all, it means positive. It will display only the behind the label. Let's see how to install the NLTK. That means by using the some command prompt or whatever Python code, we can write the pip install, pip install NLTK, then download the NLTK data, import some NLTK download all. We have to mention NLTK dot download in Python live code. Then we'll get the all related files according to the NLTK. Let's see the alternative to the NLTK. See the other libraries, some Spacey, some Stanford NLP, some text block, some Gensim, some transformations. By using transformations, we are using for the Hugging Face. These are very important. These approaches are using in latest technologies. Spacey is a fast deep learning based algorithm. That means library. Stanford NLP is the some Java based. Some text blob is a simple, good for the beginners. Both the text blob and the Spacey NLTK are you are using. Gensim for develop the some modeling, and transformation Hugging Bus. Here we are in the word. That means factorization here we are using. This is all about the alternatives of NLTK. So this is about the NLTK concept. In this, what is NLTK and some features of NLTK we discussed here, and alternative to NLTK, how to install and download the NLTK in Python. Thank you.